Samsung is officially unveiling the Galaxy S26 series at Unpacked, featuring high-end specs and several potential surprise hardware reveals. Meanwhile, the original Final Fantasy VII is facing a massive review backlash after a recent update reportedly backfired. In lighter news, a new list highlights bizarre products like cereal-scented body oil designed specifically for unconventional consumers. Finally, security concerns are mounting after hackers remotely accessed cameras on thousands of DJI robot vacuums inside private homes. That's all for today. Post your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching WebNesters Global News Daily. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.